Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you will learn what is internet and how does it works. So I am going to create this video in two parts, part A and part B. So why I made this video in two parts? Because the explanation and information is too much and the length of the video would be too long. So that's why I have created this video in two parts, part A and part B. Short video means you will watch the whole video. So I am going to start this video with two examples. So example number one is that when you open your web browser and search the anything related to your intent, and after clicking on the search button, you get your desired website with 10 million plus search results. So when you open your favorite application like FB and WhatsApp, you get connected to the world. How it is possible? This is only possible because of internet. I hope you understand these two examples. So now I am going to talk about what is the internet. So internet is a combination of two words. One word is interconnected and the other is network. So we combine these two words together, they make internet. So the definition is the internet is a vast network of billions of computers and devices that connects the computer and devices together all over the world. So it is just not limited to computers. Nowadays we can connect to the internet through the smartphones, tablets and even smart appliances. Through internet we can share information and communicate to everyone from anywhere. So I hope you understand what is internet. So that's for now. We will discuss how does internet works in our next video, which is part B. So don't forget to watch the part B.